Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. For today's video we're getting ready together. I already did my eyebrows off camera using this pomade. I will be inserting pictures so you guys know the shades. And moving on with the face, but first let's remove this hair out of the way. These clips are from Shein, by the way, and I'm obsessed with them. Now before we apply primer, you do have to shake it. It's really important that you shake it before you apply it. I'm going to be focusing this primer mainly on my T-zone, and once that's nice and set, make sure you wait at least a few minutes before you go in with foundation. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using this one right here. I've been loving the coverage. It's a really nice foundation. It doesn't feel heavy at all or cakey at all, and you can build up the coverage. So I'm just going to be blending it with this brush, and whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to be dragging it down my neck. Make sure you blend everything nicely so everything looks nice and blended and seamless. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm moving on with my concealer. I still can't believe I just found this concealer. It's amazing. I love the applicator. It just has a great coverage. You can build it up. It's perfect for every day, or it's perfect for a full face of a makeup. It does come with a brush, but I will not be using it. I'm going to be using the same foundation brush and just blend everything nice and seamless. Once everything is nice and blended, it's time to set everything in place, and I'm going to be using this translucent powder. To apply the powder, I'm using these punches. You can find them at Shein. Comes with a lot of them. I'm taking the little corner of the sponge just to bake under the eye, and then I like to take the round part of the little sponge, and I'm gonna set the rest of the face. And yeah, I just do this carefully. You don't want to move your foundation. And then I'm taking a bigger brush and setting the rest of my face. Once everything is nice and set, I'm going to be taking a smaller brush just to dust off whatever is left under the eye. Make sure everything is nice and set. And then we're going to be moving on. It's time to contour the face. I'm going to be using this palette by BH Cosmetics. I love this palette. Like you can notice, I use it every single day. And I'm just taking an angle brush, and I'm going to be contouring under the cheekbones. Something about this palette that I love is that you can build up the color and make it as dark as you desire. I also like to take some under the lips to make them look a little bigger, and I'm also going to be using the same brush to contour the nose. I like to grab it like so, and it's a perfect contouring brush. I'm also going to be taking some under the sheen area. And then we're moving on with blush. This is the blush that I'm going to be using today, and I just love the color. It's perfect for everyday use. And I'm just taking this brush, and I just like to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going back with the same brush, the little one, and I'm going to be blending everything nicely. Little by little, I'm just blending all the harsh lines, making it look even and seamless. And then I'm going to be taking the bigger brush and blending the neck. Now it's time to set everything in place, and I'm taking this e.l.f. setting spray. And now for the eyes, I just like to add a little bit of eyeliner, taking the same little brush. I like to do this step so I don't mess with the makeup and I don't have fingerprints at the end. But now it's time to fix the hair, and then it's time for lips. For lips, I'm using this lip liner. And this is the perfect color. I wanted something dark, but also something that is a little bit more for the daytime. So I'm just going to be underlining the lips. And then in the center, I'm going to be taking this shade a little bit more nude. And then I'm just going to be blending everything together with the same lip liner. Make sure you don't skip this step. It's a must. Now you can leave your lips like this, or you can add gloss. I decided to add a little bit of gloss, and this is the gloss that I'll be using today. And And this is the end result. This is the hair. This is the makeup. Now let's move on with accessories. For accessories today, I decided to use these little earrings. These earrings are from Shein, and so are my rings. And then for perfume, I'm using this one right here. I actually got it for Christmas and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, my love, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're wondering, my sweater is from Ross, my purse is from Aldo, my skirt is from Amazon, I'm wearing ties from Shein, and I'm just having some little boots on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Till next time.